Yes, okay. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you're watching. Okay, in this video, we are going to solve one problem related to critical path method. So, okay, here's the problem. So, before going to start the problem, so just like take a look into what's the actual steps. First one is that draw the network, and the next one is the forward pass. So, forward pass that will help us to find the values of the earliest finish. So, okay, in order to find that values of the earliest finish, we got formula that is earliest start plus duration. And the next step is backward pass. This backward pass helps us to find the values of the latest start. So that latest start, in order to find that latest start values, we got one formula that is the latest finish minus the duration. And the next step is form the critical path. We are going to form the critical path with the help of which is actually have the lengthiest way or lengthiest path. And the last one is adding up in all the activities and then duration. We are going to getting the how many days or how many hours or how many weeks that actually the specific project going to take. Clear? So okay, let's start the problem. So in these problems we got activity and then predecessor and as well as the time estimated in terms of the weeks. We got okay 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 activities. Okay, let's start the problem. Okay, here's in this problem we got A, B, C without a predecessor or preceders. So that's why A, B, C, these three together going to start. Okay, okay, start with the 1, A, B, C. Okay, this is A, this is B, okay, this is C. It will act as a 2 and this is 3 and this is 4. Why? Because of for this A, B, C there is no predecessor. That's why the three activities going to start together. Done. And the next one is okay D. Okay, D is actually starting from A. So A is here and then D is going to starting from the A. So before going to draw the D, just take a look into this D, whether it's act as a predecessor or not. As D is there, SD is there, and then it is ending up alone, not together. So it's ending up alone means there is no problem, just draw it. Okay, D is going to start. This is the D, 4 done. Next 5, and the next activity is E. E is deriving from B, is going to deriving from B, and again just take a look into the predecessor. Okay, E is going to ending up alone, there is no problem, just draw E and it will going to become 6. Done. And the next E done, and then F. F is also going to deriving from B. B is here, F is going to deriving from B only. But again take a look into the problem. F is there, F is there, F is actually ending together. So that's why we have to draw one rough diagram. So F and then G ending together like this. This is F and this is G. This is 2 ending together. And the next F is deriving from B. Done. And the next G is deriving from C. Done. And then this F and then G going to start J. Done. This is actually a rough sketch. F and then G combining together and going to derive the J. And then F is deriving from B. And the next G is deriving from G. Where is G? Wait, I'm sorry. F is deriving from B and then G is deriving from C. G is deriving from C. This is actually a rough sketch. Okay, now add to the problem. Okay, wait. It's done. Hope it's clear. Let's wait. Well, this is actually a formula. This is actually a rough sketch. Okay, F and then G is starting from B and then C. B is here, F is starting from here. Done. And then G is starting from C. This is going to combine together. 5 done, 6 done. Next 7. E, F and then G. Done. And then next G done, and then move to the H. H is deriving from E, and again take a look into that H. H is actually ending together. Now again we have to draw the rough sketch. H and then I, H and then I, H and then I. They are going to ending together, and then H is deriving from E, and then I is deriving from D, done, and then H I am going to derive the K. I'm sorry, clear? H and then I withdrawn, and then I is deriving from D, and then H is deriving from E, and then this H I going to derive the K. Clear? So now just draw in actual problem. Where is I? I is deriving from D, done, and then H is deriving from E, S, done, and then this is I and this is H. It will going to become 8. And then next we got I, H and then I. Next one is J. J again deriving from F and G. F is here, G is here. F and G going to derive the J. Okay, done. And then this is going to become a 9. Again, take a look at this problem. Okay, so here is the J and this is the key and K. So this J not acting as a predecessor, and then K also not acting as a predecessor. That means J and then K is actually an ending point. So J is not deriving anything, K is not deriving anything. That's why J and then K is a actual ending point. So next K is deriving from H and then I. This is the actual ending point. Clear? Drawing the network, it's clear. And then what is the actual next step? As we draw the network, it's done. And the next step is forward pass. Forward pass. Okay, this is actual body of the forward pass. A for the 2 and then 3. Okay, and then 4 and then 5, 6 and then 7 and then 8 and then 9. Okay, this is the actual body of the forward pass. Okay, so this one is earliest start, and then this one is latest start, and this is earliest finish, and this is latest finish. Clear? So this one is the earliest start, and downside it's the latest start, and upper side earliest finish, and this one latest finish. Clear? So first we have to find the earliest start. So earliest start, so we imagine it's a 0, and then we have to find the earliest finish. Earliest finish is equal to earliest start plus to duration. So duration is here for A, it's a 4. For B it's a 7. For C it's 3, and then for D it's 6. For E it's 4. For F it's 7. For G it's 6. For I it's for H it's 10. For I it's 3. For J it's 4, and then K it's 2. We got our duration, and then we got earliest start, it's 0, and then we got duration, it's 4. Now in order to find the earliest finish, earliest start plus duration, earliest start is 0, and then so duration is 4. 0 plus 4, it will going to become 4. Done. Next again for B. So earliest start is 0, duration is 7, it will going to become 7. Next for C, earliest start is 0, and then duration is 3, it will going to become 3. Now move to that 5. So for 5, earliest start is 4, and then duration is 6. 6 plus 4, 10. Next for E, earliest start is 7, duration is 4. 7 plus 4, 11. And the next for the 7, So here's actually one twist. So this, for this 7 we got the 2 activities. So for 7 we got 2 activities, one is F, another one is G. So here is the step. If we are getting the 2 activities, means we have to take which is actually high. So here the earliest start and then duration, 7 plus 7 plus 7 it's 14, and the next for G its earliest start is the 3 and the duration is 6 plus 3 it's 9, which is high, it's a 14. Clear? And J is the duration is 4, the latest finish is 23 minus 4 it will going to become a 19. Okay, for 7 duration is 7 and then latest finish is 23. So 23 minus 4 it's 19. Done. So next move to the next one. So 7 done. So next move to the 6. For 6 duration is 10 and then latest finish is 21. 21 minus 1 10 is going to become 11. Done. And then move to that 5 got durations 3 and then latest finish is 21. 21 minus 3 it will going to become 18. Next 5 done. Move to the 4. Here we have the 4. For 4 duration is 6 and then latest finish is 19. 19 minus 6 it will going to become 12. Sorry. So 19 minus 6 it will going to become 13. Yes, then next move to the 3. So 3 we got duration is 4 and then latest finish is 11. 11 minus 4 it will going to become 7. And the next for 2 18 is there as a latest finish and then duration is 6. 18 minus 6 it will going to become 12. And the next at the end for 1 we got 3 activities. One is 2 3 4. So for 4, okay, wait. For A the duration is 4. For B duration is 7. For C duration is 3 and then latest finish is 12 and then latest finish is 7, then latest finish is 13. So 12 minus 4 it's 8 and then 7 minus 7 0 and then 13 minus 3 it's 10. So what is the actual rule? If we are getting the 2 activities, means so we have to take which is low from the backward pass. Clear? So from the backward pass which is low, it's B 0. So B 7 minus 7 it will going to become 0. So now backward pass also done. Next the form the critical path. So form the critical path, we have to find the which is actually lengthiest path or lengthiest way. So just for blind method, just make sure the earliest start plus latest start and then earliest finish plus latest finish. So this is the earliest start, it should equals to latest start, and again here the earliest finish it should equal to latest finish. That's the blind method. Okay, just here's the latest start, earliest start and then latest start 0. Okay, done. Here earliest finish and then latest finish not equal, just ignore. Next here come, so latest finish and then earliest finish and then latest finish is equal. So this is the actual, okay, this is the actual path we are going to draw. And the next from here, so we have to move, we gotten 2 alternatives, one is the E, another one is F. Earliest finish and then latest finish is equal, and then here earliest finish and then latest finish is not equal. So this is the actual way. And the next from 6 to 8, earliest finish and then latest finish is equal, and then earliest start and then latest start is also equal, and then this is the actual path. And the next earliest start and then latest finish is equal, latest start is equal, and then here earliest finish and then latest finish is equal. So this is the actual path. So it's drawing from here to here to here to here. It's done. So now what is the actual activities? It's B, it's moving from B to E, E to H, H to K. Clear? And then what is the actual activities involved? B for 7, and then next E it's 4, and then H it's 10, and then K it's 2. 7 plus 4 11, 11 plus 10 21, 21 plus 2 it's 23. What is the actual term? It's in weeks. 23 weeks is actually that project will going to take to for completion. Just given on conclusion. So 23 weeks the actual duration this one specific project that will going to take. It's clear? In the next video we are going to discuss about one more problem related to critical path method. So there's one little bit changes is there, and then see you in the next class.